Hello my dear viewers and my YouTubers and my subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. So I hope I am very late but I am here with a latest episode called the list of top 8 billionaires who donate money for social goodness. This was presented by Aman Surya Chetan. So please subscribe it for more interesting updates. First, Warren Buffett and Bill and Melinda Gates, George Soros, Michael Bloomberg, Charles Church Finney, Mark Zuckerberg and Priscilla Chan, Michael and Susan Dale, Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata one is a special one and it will be very liked by you. Number 1 is Warren Buffett. So he focuses on health, poverty alleviation. His net worth is 88.8 billion. His lifetime giving, that means his donation is $42.8 billion. The legendary investor's quest to give away more than 99% of his fortune continues. So far, he donated more than $40 billion, much of it through annual gifts to the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, where it's being put to work on poverty and healthcare initiatives in the US and developing countries. Bill and Melinda Gates, they focus on health, poverty alleviation. The net worth is about $120.7 billion. Lifetime giving is $29.8 billion. The 2-decade-old Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, which makes about $5 billion a year in grants, jumped into funding research, treatments, tests, and vaccines for COVID-19 last year, pledging $1.75 billion to be spent over 2 years with the goal of getting the tools to fight the pandemic to people in need everywhere. Everyone everywhere deserves to benefit from the science developed in 2020. Melinda Gates said in a statement in December. Bill and Melinda Gates. George Soros. They focus on democracy, education, anti-discrimination, healthcare. Their net worth is $8.6 billion. The lifetime giving $16.8 billion. Soros Open Society Foundations operate in 120 countries worldwide, focusing most extensively on fostering democracy and protecting voters' rights, areas where it budgeted $140 million in 2020, with annual giving of $1.2 billion. Last year, the foundation's causes including economic equity, anti-discrimination, human rights, justice reform, and journalism. Michael Bloomberg. So he is a former mayor of city New York and he is even the co-founder of Bloomberg LP Industries. So they Bloomberg LP Foundations focus on climate change and health. The net worth is $54.9 billion. The lifetime giving $11.1 billion. The former New York City mayor and Bloomberg LP co-founder has poured more than $11 billion into charitable causes according to his Bloomberg Philanthropies, focusing on climate change, gun control, and public health. He spent more than $1 billion to curb tobacco use over the last decade and in 2018 announced a $1.8 billion pledge to Johns Hopkins University, his alma mater. Charles Chuck Finney. He focuses on science, human rights, youth. Youth means he invests and encourages youth companies. Net worth under $2 million. Lifetime giving. The lifetime giving is $8 billion. Mark Zuckerberg and Priscilla Chan. Regionally, you please say me that are you using Facebook? Yes, we all use Facebook day and night. So Facebook was founded by Mark Zuckerberg and executed by Mark Zuckerberg. So Mark Zuckerberg and Priscilla Chan has started a foundation in the name of Facebook. They focus on science, on education, criminal justice, election integrity. The net worth is about $90 billion. The lifetime giving is $2.7 billion. Michael and Susandal. Regionally, all are having laptops in their home. The two, some are using Lenovo, some are using HP, some use Mac, and 40% of the people use Dell laptops. So Dell laptop companies are invented by and founded by Michael and Susan. So they are also having a foundation in the name of Dell, and they focus on poverty alleviation and education. Net worth is $40.4 billion. Lifetime giving is $2.25 billion. So these are few businessmen who has spent on trusts, guys. So we should also spend some on Corona trusts. Ratan Tata. This was the special thing I was saying. Ratan Tata is a great industrialist in India. They have such companies like Tata Motors, Tata Steels, Tetley, Tata Power, Tata Consultancy Services, it's a software company, Tata Communications. Tata Communications has invented Tata Indicom, but it was closed in 2012. So in 1967, 1940, in that years, J.R.J. Tata, Jamshedji Tata has invented Tata companies. But that time, the Tata business was just 60 lakhs. But whenever Ratan Tata has taken over the business, he had taken out the net worth up to $60,000 billion. That was very good deal, and he spent 60% of his net worth for Tata Trusts. So he has formed a Tata Trust, and in Assam they have started Cancer Care Foundation by Government of Assam and Tata Trust Initiative. And recently in the pandemic time, Ratan Tata has decided to pay their employees corona charges. Like corona fees are 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs. So he used to pay that. So Ratan Tata is a great man. We just be like that. So I am very late. Sorry for the late of the video. But please subscribe Aman Suya Chetan and like the video, share the video, comment the video, and don't forget to subscribe Aman Suya Chetan. We will be back with a beautiful video. Thank you.